Yeah, good evening all.
Good evening, sir.
Yeah. And today is a demo section related to accounting software. If you want to settle account related jobs and must ensure to learn any account package. But in India, most of Indian other countries, most of tester and companies, most of companies uses only Tally because compared to remaining software, Tally is there and more features compared to remaining software. In Tally, basically, computerized accounts two types: manual accounts and computerized account. Manual accounts by hand preparation, computer account using software only. In computerized, in currently using Tally, Wins, and Focus, and some other softwares also there like QuickBooks, Peachtree, okay, MyOB. But all the other software compared to Tally, and Tally more features is there compared to remaining software, and Tally introduced 86, 88 and release version, Tally release versions. In first version 3.0 and latest version Tally Prime. In Tally Prime is the latest version, but in first version 3.0 and 3.5, 4.0 and 4.5. In these three versions, in working only DOS format, in 5.4 working Windows format. To compare with first four versions, working only DOS future accounts only. In 5.4 working Windows future accounts with inventory. Inventory nothing but what? Stock. Generally, to pass any general entries in account terminology, debit and credit format, that is called accounts only, like purchase to cash. If you purchase any material or if you sell any goods, the time to raise the bill only purchase format, debit to credit only. But accounts with inventory, one more option is there in inventory format with the item name, quantity, rate, and amount. Is accounts only? Is accounts with inventory? Inventory nothing but what? Stock to maintain with item details. That is the inventory. In the inventory have item name, quantity, rate, and amount. Is accounts only format in 4.5. In 5.4 accounts with inventory format. The same like the next release version 6.3 in Tally in 2003 is added from new connectivity that is called ODBC, Open Database Connectivity. That is export option. What I prepared the reports in Tally software directly convert to Excel. Tally to Excel. And 7.2 taxation, two types, direct tax and indirect taxes. In 7.2 introduced 2005, that time government to take a new decision to implement the taxation. That time introduced VAT in 2005 financial year. After 2005, entirely launched new version 8.1. It support languages. Means what happened here? Every new version implemented one new feature. That's why I changed the version name. But why change version mean? If you add new feature, that identification purpose, you change the version name only. In 12 language implemented on 8.1, In Tally to manage English, Telugu, Tamil, Urdu, Kannada, Malayalam, support totally 12 languages. After 8.1 is launched 9.0 payroll to prepare employee salary reports. And ERP 9 after 9.0 is launched ERP 9, and Tally most of running in ERP 9 only because ERP 9 is introduced in 2009, but in Prime introduced 2020, almost 11 years, and currently in 40% users using still ERP 9 only. In future, every user update to Tally Prime only, because compared to ERP 9 and Tally Prime, more features is there. That's why everyone shift to ERP 9 to Prime currently. In ERP 9, add new feature remote user. In 9.0, add new feature payroll, payslip format, employee salary reports. In same like 9.0, payroll, salary reports, and ERP 9 6.6.3 remote user and GST. GST means goods and services tax is implemented on 2009. In GST implemented on 2017, and these all old version Tally 9 and the new version ERP 9. But in ERP 9, add new feature login as remote user. Login as remote user, nothing but you want to access online for any other PC data remotely. That time just click this option, login as remote user. Once click this option, is correctly directly connect to head office to branch, branch to head office. Okay, and this function is available in ERP 9 and forward to latest version. Okay, that feature added in ERP 9, and new thing is in 2007 implemented on GST. And same thing in Tally Prime is a new version compared to ERP 9. In Tally Prime 40%, 30 to 40% new options is there, and they are new options because the main drawback in ERP 9, you want to pass any general entries to post the to check the all the settings and F11 conversions, F11 futures, F12 conversion, everything is required for ERP 9 time. But in Tally Prime is every function is default. The time is working directly only. That feature is available in Tally Prime only. Just example, in ERP 9, this is a configuration settings like futures. Every function to change the futures. But in Tally Prime, only single window. Means the remaining function is a default only. No need to do any configuration settings. Okay, configuration nothing but settings only. You want to pass purchase return, sale returns. You want to pass debit note, credit note like purchase return, sale returns. Otherwise, any orders, okay, purchase order, sale order is required F11 functions to change settings only. Small example, you want to operate any internet in your mobile. You want to browse internet in your mobile. First to activate the internet option or data or Wi-Fi. That conversion settings required before use internet function. Without enable that functions, working is not possible. Same thing in Tally also, you want to pass any related to transactions, that related function enable is important. But in Tally Prime, what happened? They decrease the settings. Okay, that time no need to enable all the future, no need to remember which options required to enable that specific function purpose. That is the advantage in Tally Prime. To compare with one by one, it changed around 40% new options in Tally Prime. And same thing in Tally Prime as new options, menu wise designing, save view, directly generated e-way bill, directly generated e-invoices, the company data access for many path, multitasking, go to access. These all functions in Tally Prime. Understand? In manual, that is ERP 9, there is no features multitasking. You write if you prepared any invoice, the middle of invoice you want to access any reports is not possible. Cancel the current invoice and go to that specific report menus only. But in Tally Prime, no need to cancel any invoices. Just go for go to option and utilize the multitask options. But these all changes in Tally Prime. Okay. And ERP9, there is no functions multitask and to generate the e-way bill and generate the e-invoices facilities in the GST related. Okay. And this is a view of Tally Prime. In Tally Prime is added for new feature go to function, and these all new options and go to functions is a Tally 9 old options. Okay, but in Tally Prime added from remote access also. Clear. And the login option is there, and head office and branches connectivity, these all functions working in Tally ERP9 and Tally Prime. Okay, and the main changes in computerized account, in manual to change to what are process for final accounts and do one by one only: day book, vouchers, ledgers, trial balance, statement of account, balance sheet. But compared account just pass three reports and remain reports prepared automatically. Just thinking, manual accounts is a long process, each and everything do manual only. Compared account just pass three reports and remain reports prepared automatically. These all automatical reports. Each and everything do manual only. But in compared account, step by step process. In compared account, what happened? Just do shortcut, groups, ledgers, vouchers. The system generated automatical remaining reports. But how to generate automatical remaining reports means following the groups based only. The system generated only groups based only. Groups nothing but accounting heads. Okay. But if you want to planning do account job, first should learn Tally Prime. And second thing, and is not required any backgrounds for related to accounts for this course purpose. Any person do easily for this course, but just understanding only basic things: what is asset, what is liability, what is expense, what is income. If you're understanding these four words: assets, liabilities, expense, income, you are suitable to do the account job anywhere in accountant using Tally Prime. Okay, because just understanding this only four words: what is asset, what is liability, what is expense, what is income, these four words required entire Tally. Understand? That's why here I'm explain first basic concept, 1 or 2 days explain basic, and the basic also is not required for Tally codes purpose, just required only options: what is a shortcut key, what is a process to select the purchase invoice, sale invoice, how to pass the payment and receipt, how to understanding the closing stock summary. Okay, and how to generate the invoice, the everything explained entire related to job oriented. Okay, because see, if you explain basics, if take 1 week or 10 days, there is no use. Because after to learn basic, what happened? To work with computerized only, there is no manual accounts in compute in real time in job location, only required computerized knowledge. That's why in 30 days I'm given only support computerized only: what is a purchase, what is a sale, what is a payment, how to identify the balances. Okay, and payment related, receipt related, and payment receipts, purchase sales. Understand? It's very easy to learn this course. Okay, very easy. Example, I will show you how to pass the inverse without knowledge. Suppose if you learn only 1 or 2 classes, it's suitable to do the inverse generation. The invoice required some information like party name, GST number, invoice number, what are material sale, what are material material. That is the only information. Okay, example, I want to pass GST invoices. Just is already set up all the things. It take only 1 or 2 days only for setup purpose for real time. But normally you want to pass GST invoices, only take 10 minutes only. Just choose the shortcuts is here. Shortcut keys is there in sale voucher. What are sale? Choose the party name and item name. Okay, and the product name. Once add all the things, the system calculate automatically all the products. I'm saying in Nokia mobile, I mentioned here rate. Okay, and here added tax. Now take printout for this invoice. By default, add all the information like company name, invoice number, what are material sale, what is the GST rate. This conversion settings returned because here generate automatically all the information fall in the configuration settings. That's why in 30 days to learn configuration settings, not account basics. Basics not required because here is not maintain any account terminology systems. Here some basics required because you pass the JVs from adjustment entries, bills payable, bills receivable, outstanding, prepaid. That is final accounts adjustment time is required some little bit basic knowledges. Otherwise, just do the options using computerized purchase, sale, payment, receipt, purchase, sales, everything. That's why first 1 week I'm explain only basic conversion, basic topics only. Once complete basic, explain the tally related. Okay. After tally, I explain how to pass the invoices, how to sell, okay, how to purchase order, sale order, how to check the outstanding, bills payable, bills receivable. Everything I discussed in 30 days. In 30 days its course is completed, and to everyday section it's send the videos in your Google Drive. If you're missing any classes, do follow in the videos only. And same thing I explain what I'm classes explain in 30 days. I explain all that syllabus with contents and before I submitted. Once understanding, very easy. Clear? And this is a only small demo only, but in future after festival in 1 hour demo is there. Just attend free demo in 1 hour. I will send the notice from in your mails. Okay, and today only little bit demo only because I'm some other works. Just attend demo in next class. Any doubts? Any suggestions?
सर कल से ऑनलाइन होना है ना कल से भी.
कल से नहीं है, वो फेस्टिवल होने के बाद स्टार्ट होता। अभी
ओके.
फेस्टिवल के जा रहा हूँ घर घर। ओके, फेस्टिवल होने के बाद क्लासेस शुरू करता हूँ। अब मैसेज आ जाता, फर्स्ट यू चेक द डेमो इज नॉट डेमो, टुडे इज नॉट कंसिडर टू डेमो। डेमो आई एम टेकिंग आफ्टर फेस्टिवल, 1 or 2 डेमोस इज देयर। once complete demo to confirm the student, I started the new batches.
ओके
Maybe
सर.
maybe your qualification?
बीकॉम सर.
ओ बीकॉम हो तो अच्छा रहता कोर्स के लिए। ये कोर्स है, ये इनॉग्रेशन ऑफर है, ट्रिपल लाइन है। एक्चुअली दिस कोर्स 5,000 रुपीज है। You
ओके.
understand?
यस
See,
सर.
once check the in Amarpet, any institute in tally training minimum 4,000, 3,000 to 4,000. There is no option in triple line because in Durga software integration offer only triple line. I am 10 years experience in this field. That's why I'm explain each and everything and suggest to your friends use this
ओके.
opportunity from this batch only. In future batches, maybe increase the prices. Okay,
ओके सर.
clear? And you will get definitely get the notification for when you start the new batches, and demo also there in the after festival. I think I arranged a demo from 19 or 20, not exactly. Just follow in the mails and WhatsApp only. Clear?
ओके.
Okay, thank you for attending demo. Have a nice day. Thank you.